Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to post a new job or a new job status on LinkedIn. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and log into your LinkedIn account, and once you're in here, just go ahead and go to the jobs section right here and click on it. Alright, once done, go to your profile right here in the left panel and click on experience. Then as you can see here, there's a slider here called notify network. Just go ahead and make sure that it is toggled on. And as it states here, turn on to notify your network of key profile changes, such as a new job and work anniversaries. Updates can take up to 2 hours. And if you want to learn more about this one, just go ahead and click on this hyperlink right here. All right. So basically what we're going to do is just type in the title, employment type. So we're going to do that. For example, voiceover, artist, maybe, employment type, well, full-time, company or organization, for example, YouTube. All right, I'm currently working in this role. Start date, it depends on you. Just go ahead and put in the start date, end date, it will be grayed out. Then the location, maybe Philippines. Location type, it will be remote. Description, just go ahead and put your description right here. All right, once done, profile headline. If you want to, you can change this one right here. This is basically your bio. All right, and where did you find this job? Other, add a skill if you want to, and then add a media if you want to upload some photos. All right, just go ahead and hit on save and wait for it to process, and you will be landed to this specific page. As you can see here, it will show you that your post will look like this. I'm happy to share that I'm starting a new position as a voiceover artist at YouTube. Just go ahead and hit on next or hit on post now, and that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.